Good morning, guys. Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care, and today I want to talk to you, or maybe some of you guys already know, but one of you DM me on my Instagram page and basically told me that there was a difference between EDGER blades, and I did a little bit of research and come to find out there is a difference, guys. And for you guys that are brand new to the industry or don't know, well, now you're about to find out what is the difference. Now, these are your basic EDGER blades that you will get from your dealer or on your Amazon or online. They are 8-inch long, 2-inch wide, and 1-inch diameter, right? And these fit on any one of your either straight shaft or curved edgers. Now, the difference is these right here, well, not the difference, but these right here, these are the ones that you will pay in between $39.99 to about $52 to $54 online for a box of 50. Okay, and these right here you pay in between $72 and $85 for a box of 50 online. And I will leave a link to the description, and you can just go on my Amazon store, and the link to this video is in the description, and it'll tell you you can purchase both. Now, with this right here, with these, the light ones, I was having an issue, right? But because these are soft, these are regular blades, metal, these are soft. On average, we are mowing 16 to 23 properties a day, right? And we used to go through one of these every day because as soon as you put them on, guys, it wears out so quick. And sometimes to my dismay, sometimes these come warped. I know you can't see it, but when you put it on your machine, your edger, and you notice you squeeze the trigger, it starts to vibrate, right? And that's because some of these guys, they come warped in the box, and I didn't know. I had a situation. I put a link to the video in the description. I had a situation where I kept using it for about 2-3 days, and my edger was vibrating and really hurting our hands. And I was on the impression that it was a shaft issue, it was a motor issue, and I even took it to the mechanic, and they said it wasn't anything wrong with it. It cost me $35 just for them to kind of look at it, and that was the issue. But the issue was the blade. These blades are cheap, guys, and again, they're cheap, and some of them come warped in a box. So be very careful of purchasing these. Like I said before, it's up to you. I'm giving you a choice. These are the cheap ones. They don't last long, and they deteriorate extremely fast. Now, these right here are the stronger ones, and these are heat treated blades. Okay, they're treated with heat. The metal is stronger, guys. Let me tell you, like I said before, I used to go through one of these per day. With these, the whole week the whole week with one of these blades. And these you can find in between, I would say, $72 to $85, probably a little bit more. And spend the money on these, guys. The additional $20, the additional $30, it's going to worth your money. I'm telling you. Take it from me. You guys see my videos. I'm not gonna steer you wrong. I will put a link to these blades. Again, heat treated blade, and these are regular blades. These are cheap, these are expensive, these are garbage. These are the ones that you want to buy. Okay, again, guys, we're not gonna go through what's heat treating process, and I'll Google it if that's something that you want to know. My whole deal with this video is to let you know that this is worth your money. Yes, you're gonna pay a little bit more, but they're gonna last. These are garbage. I have a whole box, and now they're just decoration. You know how it is, you have something and you just don't want to get rid of it. These are them. All right, so again, awesome garbage. All right, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. If you have any questions, put them in the link in the comment section below. And again, have a blessed one. Pop smoke. Peace.